Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving if Windows Explorer is experiencing high power usage or consumptions on your Windows computer. So this can be due to a variety of factors, usually just a hardware limitations, or you might have a lot of programs open, and I'll show you a different potential workarounds or solutions for you. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung control panel, and then click mo lang itong open. And next step, kailangan mo na click tong category and then select mo lang dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung power options. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa power options and then dito lang sa ating user options selected. And then click mo lang tong change plan settings. So click mo lang yan. And then next dito sa change settings for the plan. And then click mo lang tong change advanced power settings. And then pop up itong power option settings. So dito lang sa advanced settings, and then click mo lang itong arrow na to, and then select mo lang dito yung balance. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung restore plan defaults dito sa baba. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then click mo lang itong yes. And then click mo lang itong apply. And then click mo lang itong okay. Alright, so ang next step, so close lang natin yan. And then dito sa search menus, click mo lang yan. So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung view advanced system settings. And so i-click mo lang tong open. And then pop up itong system properties. Alright? So ang next step, dito lang sa taas ay select mo lang dito yung advanced. And then yung pinakauna lang ito yung performance. And then i-click mo lang itong settings. Okay? So dito sa performance settings and then next step ay dito lang sa taas ay select mo lang dito yung adjust for best performance. So, click mo lang yan. And then, click mo lang tong apply. And then, click mo lang tong okay. And then, next, close lang natin yan. And then, dito si start menu, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Windows Explorer high power usage error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.